Hello everyone and welcome to this Flodesk Honest Review. Is this the best email marketing solution? Well, this review explores Flodesk, which is an email marketing solution to determine its effectiveness and value. We'll be examining its features, pricing, pros and cons, and this will help you to decide if it's the right tool for your marketing needs. But before we begin, we've got the link to Flodesk in the description for easy access. So let's begin. And starting with the features, Flodesk offers a range of features designed for creating visually appealing and effective email campaigns. You have a wide selection of customizable, modern email templates. You also have an intuitive, user-friendly interface for easy email design, and this does not require any coding. You can send unlimited emails to an unlimited number of subscribers for a flat monthly rate, and we'll be talking about this as this will be indicated in the pricing options. Then you can automate email sequences and subscriber journeys. Then you could also group subscribers to tailor content to specific audience. You can create visually appealing forms and landing pages to grow your email list. And if you're into e-commerce, there are tools for selling digital products, including checkout pages and payment processing. And of course, we love to track email performance with open rates, click-through rates, and other key metrics. Then when it comes to integrations, you can connect with other apps via Zapier and has a few native integrations including Canva and Shopify. Now, when it comes to pricing, Flodesk offers straightforward pricing plans. You have the free plan at $0 per month, and there are tools to grow your lists with forms, landing pages, linking bio tools, and you can upload your custom fonts and brand colors. Then you have the professional plan at $35 per month. You also have email and workflow personalization with conditional content. The advanced plan comes at $59 per month with, of course, unlimited checkouts and payments. And also, you can create advanced journeys with multi-step sales funnels. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, we would like to start with the pros. Flodesk is known for its visually appealing and customizable email templates. The drag and drop editor makes it easy to create professional-looking emails without any coding knowledge. You can also send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for a fixed monthly price. And for those who are into e-commerce, it includes tools for selling digital products directly through the platform. On the flip side, it has limited advanced features such as A/B testing and complex automation workflows. There is no mobile app. Flodesk does not have a dedicated mobile app, and it also has a few native integrations compared to some competitors, though it does integrate with Zapier. Flodesk is a strong option for businesses and individuals who prioritize visually appealing email designs and ease of use. Its flat rate pricing is attractive for those who want to send unlimited emails without worrying about subscriber tiers. However, if you need advanced features such as A/B testing and complex automation, you might want to consider some alternatives. Check out the link in the description below for Flodesk, and if you found this helpful, do let us know, and thanks for watching.